Hi to all. In this video, I am going to explain for you the chapter of magnetism. From the magnetism, I am going to explain for you derivation of expression for moment of couple acting on a bar magnet when it is placed in a uniform magnetic field. So, moment of couple acting on a bar magnet placed in a uniform magnetic field. So, the topic is couple acting on a bar magnet okay, see, I will explain first of all one by one word. Couple means janta అంటే forces equal గా ఉండాలి, magnitude యొక్క direction opposite ఉండాలి, then only it is called as couple. According to physics, the couple is called as two forces are equal in magnitude but direction will be the opposite. అంటే magnitude లో ఈక్వల్ ఉండాలి, direction లో opposite ఉండాలి. So then only it is called as a couple. That means different. Magnitude is same but direction is different. Then this type of couple is acting on a bar magnet. ఎక్కడ పనిచేయాలి కపుల్ అనేది? బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ మీద యాక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ప్లేస్ ఇన్ ఏ బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ ఏ యూనిఫామ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ వేర్ ఇట్ విల్ బి వర్కింగ్ యూనిఫామ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్. What is the meaning of uniform magnetic field? The previous videos I will explain very clearly for you types of magnetic fields. There are two types of magnetic fields. One is a uniform magnetic field and another one is a non-uniform magnetic field. So what is the meaning of uniform magnetic field? The uniform magnetic field means all the magnetic lines of force is in the same magnitude and acting in the same direction. Then only it's called as uniform magnetic field. The huge earth or the wide area, the uniform magnetic field will be happening is the best example for the uniform magnetic field. Otherwise, if you consider inside the magnetic field, it is also consider the example for the uniform magnetic field, because inside the magnet there is a forming of all should be the parallel lines, not about the curved lines. So that this parallel lines gives the example for the uniform magnetic field. Okay students, ఈ వీడియోలో మీకు కపుల్ యొక్క మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ కపుల్ యొక్క డెరివేషన్ అనేది కంప్లీట్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఇక మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ కపుల్ అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఫోర్సెస్ అనేవి ఈక్వల్గా ఉండాలి. కపుల్ అంటే జనరల్గా టూ ఫోర్సెస్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, ఆ రెండు ఫోర్సెస్ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్లో ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. అంటే నెంబర్ విల్ బి ద సేమ్ బట్ డైరెక్షన్ విల్ బి ద ఆపోజిట్. అంటే ఒకటి అప్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్లో పనిచేస్తే ఇంకొకటి ఎలా పనిచేయాలి, డౌన్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్లో పనిచేయాలి. లైక్ దిస్ ఇట్ విల్ బి హ్యాపెన్ అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి this couple is acting on a bar magnet. That means you will be conserve on bar magnet and the bar magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field is B. అనే యూనిఫామ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్లో ప్లేస్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇట్లా కపుల్ ఫామ్ కావాలి అబౌట్ ది నార్త్ పోల్ అండ్ అబౌట్ ది సౌత్ పోల్. సో వన్ షుడ్ బి యాక్టింగ్ టు ది డౌన్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్, వన్ షుడ్ బి యాక్టింగ్ టు ది అప్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్. ఇలా పనిచేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏర్పడేటువంటి మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్స్ ఆర్ టార్క్ ఆర్ కపుల్ అన్నీ ఒకటే. మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్స్ అన్నా, టార్క్ అయినా, మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ కపుల్ అన్నా, టార్క్ అన్నా, ఇవన్నీ సేమ్స్. అండ్ ఆల్సో it should be sometimes is indicated with the moment of couple with a tau. This is called as tau, or you can remember it write it with C also. C is also the moment of couple, moment of torque. Torque anna couple anna okate. Torque ante couple anna okate. Torque ante entidi some the cross product, vector product of its distance and force. the cross product of distance and force is gives as a torque. That means a torque is a vector quantity. As given that according to vector quantity, it is given that Rf sin theta. Rf sin theta. R bar cross F bar is given that Rf sin theta, like that. According to the vector product, we can derive the expression for the torque. అంటే torque కి మనం వెక్టార్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ప్రకారం, యాజ్ పర్ ద వెక్టార్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ప్రకారం ఒక డెరివేషన్ కానీ ఒక ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కానీ ఇవ్వాలంటే మనకి టార్క్ యొక్క ఫార్ములా ఏంటిదంటే ఆర్ బార్ క్రాస్ ఎఫ్ బార్. ఆర్ బార్ క్రాస్ ఎఫ్ బార్. ఇక్కడ ఆర్ ఏంటిదంటే డిస్టెన్స్, ఎఫ్ బార్ ఏంటిది వాట్ ఈజ్ అప్లయింగ్ ఫోర్స్ ఆన్ ద బాడీ. అంటే ఇక్కడ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇంటూ ఫోర్స్, ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్స్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ టార్క్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సమ్టైమ్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ కపుల్. అండ్ ఇన్ దిస్ డెరివేషన్ in this one PPT, we are going to prove that moment of couple is equal C is equal to, we have to prove that C is equal to mb sin theta. This is we are going to prove that C or tau ఏదైనా ఒకటే mb sin theta. ఇక్కడ m ఏంటిది మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మూమెంట్, b అంటే మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్, theta is the angle at between the some two types of forces is there. Whatever be is theta is an angle. So I will be explain clearly for you one by one. M is a magnetic moment. Magnetic moment already I explained for you. Capital M is equal to small m into 2L. This is the formula for the magnetic moment. And ikkada M is nothing but pole strength. Small m is what? Pole strength. Small m is what? Pole strength. Pole strength ante the ability of attraction or repulsion. How much ability of attraction or repulsion acting at the ends of the poles. Poles దగ్గర ఎంత ఎబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ ఉందో, ఎంత ఎబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ రిపల్షన్తో మనం అట్రాక్ట్ చేయడమో రిపల్షన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుందో, దట్ ఎబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ ఆర్ రిపల్షన్ ఈజ్ యాక్టింగ్ ఎట్ ది ఎండ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది పోల్స్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ పోల్ స్ట్రెంత్. And this units of the pole strength is nothing but m యొక్క యూనిట్స్ వచ్చరికి we are having that is ampere per meter. The pole strength units ఏంటిది మనకి ampere meter. And you know very well 2L is the length of the bar magnet. Length of the bar magnet అంటే the distance between the north pole to the south pole. ఈ నార్త్ పోల్ నుంచి సౌత్ పోల్ వరకు ఎంతైతే డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుందో ఆ డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమవుతుంది మనకి 2L అవుతుంది. How like means this is the center of the magnet. N నుంచి O కి L అవుతుంది, O నుంచి S కి L అవుతుంది. So L plus L is 2L. So the total length of the bar magnet is 2L. Now here is this type of bar magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field. Then how can you derive the expression for the moment of a couple? So let's say I will explain clearly for you the moment of couple acting on a bar magnet placed in a uniform magnetic field, as well as what are the problems is based upon the mb sin theta, and also problems based on magnetic field. And here I would like to mention that magnetic field formula, you know very well the formula of magnetic field B is equal to F by M. Already in the previous videos I will explain clearly for you the definition of magnetic field and also the formula. Here is a force acting per unit pole strength. F is the force acting per unit pole strength. Force acting per unit pole strength. CNGTH. Force acting per unit strength is nothing but magnetic field. Let's start our session. The moment of couple on a bar magnet placed in a uniform magnetic field. Before going to this one, we are go for the diagram first. See here, please watch this diagram. See here is a bar magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field. This is all are the, see here if you observe this, these all the lines of force. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఏంటిది మనకి లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్స్. అన్ని లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? ప్యారలల్ లైన్స్. దే ఆల్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field. So all the magnetic lines of force are in the same magnitude and are in the all are in the same direction. So this is absolutely called as a uniform magnetic field. And in this uniform magnetic field, what is the question? Bar magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field. So first I give an explanation for you. Uniform magnetic field అంటే యూనిఫామ్ magnetic field అంటే ఏంటో చెప్పేసాను. I think you are having some idea up to now. And this in this uniform magnetic field you are going to place a magnet. You are going to place a magnet. See here, this is a magnet. This magnet you are going to place it in a uniform magnetic field, north pole and south pole. Then what is the force is acting about the north pole and what is the force is acting between the south pole? What is the forces? Here is a both here is a north pole దగ్గర ఎంతైతే ఫోర్స్ పనిచేస్తుందో సౌత్ పోల్ దగ్గర కూడా అంతే ఫోర్స్ పనిచేయాలి. ఇట్స్ క్లియర్? దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఫోర్స్ ఈజ్ యాక్టింగ్ అబౌట్ ద నార్త్ పోల్ అండ్ ద సౌత్ పోల్ ఈజ్ హ్యావింగ్ ద సేమ్ ఫోర్స్ బికాస్ ఆల్వేస్ ద ఫోర్సెస్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ఎట్ ద ఎండ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది పోల్స్. Then what is the formula for the force? Already I told for you the definition of magnetic field. It is placed in a magnetic field. B is equal to F by M. So force acting per unit pole strength is equal to magnetic field. B is equal to F by M. Then F is equal, this M is go to the left side. Then F is equal to MB. Then F is equal to MB. The force acting about this north pole is MB. This is in the one way direction. This is moving to the some right side direction, right hand side direction or upward direction, whatever, anything, right side direction. Another one taken is about the left side direction. Why I should the directions is taken about the opposite sides? Why should I am taken the opposite sides? Means here is only one reason is that why should I taken the opposite direction means just only one reason, that is a couple. The couple acting, and we have to prove that for the movement of couple is what? Couple acting on a bar magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field. Couple means, already I told for you, two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. That's why here is a magnitude is both for the F is equal MB. This MB is a right side direction I will consider, and this MB is considered in the left side direction. The two are taken in the what happened? Opposite direction. Next, the diagram, what will be missing? This 2L. 2L is what? Length of the bar magnet. The length of the bar magnet is considered as a 2L, and here is a theta is acting between the two poles. Then here is a theta is acting between the poles, north pole and south pole, and here I drawn one. I created some triangle. That is some for the NA. We can run one line in the direction of SA. You can run a normal in the direction of SA. You will get the like this. NSA is a triangle. NSA is a triangle. NSA is a triangle. So then what happened? Here is a vector quantity is considered. Torque is nothing but a vector quantity. In that sin theta is came. So the formula of sin theta from this triangle is what? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is this NA. So NA by NS. NA by NS. So sin theta is equal to, see here, you can consider like this diagram. You can run one normal. Then here is angle is there. If you run for side formula for sin theta ante ఎదురు భుజం by కర్ణం, opposite side by hypotenuse. From this triangle, here is a very clearly is there. That is NA is the opposite side where NS is the hypotenuse. Then sin theta is equal to NA by NS. Sin theta is equal Na by Ns is equal to, we know very well that is a length of the bar magnets is there. You can substitute the Ns2L in the formula. Then sin theta is equal to Na by 2L. Then Na is equal to, this 2L is taken to the left side. Then Na is equal to 2L sin theta. Na is equal to what? 2L sin theta. So this is the way we are going to take in the perpendicular distance between the poles. But theta is the angle between the is a magnet, length of the bar magnet, and also perpendicular distance between the poles. So in this diagram I will explain for each and everything for you. Now we go for the theory. What to what I will explain, that means line to line I will explain for you. See here in the first line what is there. Let us consider a bar magnet of length 2L. Of course bar magnet యొక్క length ఎంత ఉంటుంది, 2L ఉంటుంది, and pole strength is M. Pole strength ఎంత ఉంటుంది, M. Already told for you. Pole strength అంటే ability of attraction or repulsion acting at the ends of the poles. సో ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు, ఒక బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ యొక్క లెంత్ 2L. సో ఏ బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ అయినా సరే దాని యొక్క లెంత్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది, మనకి 2Lగా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ద పోల్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఈజ్ M. పోల్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఎంత అవుతుంది, M, స్మాల్ m. ప్లేస్ ఇన్ యూనిఫామ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఈజ్ B. B అనే యూనిఫామ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్లో మనం ప్లేస్ చేసాం. ఇన్ సచ్ వే దట్ మేక్స్ అన్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ టీటా. సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, మనకి టీటా అనే యాంగిల్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తుంది విత్ ద డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ B యాజ్ షోన్ ఇన్ ది ఫిగర్. సో డయాగ్రామ్లో చూసినప్పుడు టీటా అనేది ఈ B అనే మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్లో హియర్ ఈజ్ ప్లేస్డ్. సో హియర్ ఈజ్ అతను ఏం చెప్తే, వాట్ హీ ఈజ్ సేయింగ్, M ఈజ్ ద పోల్ స్ట్రెంత్, M is a pole strength, and 2L is the length of the bar magnet, and theta is the angle between the length of the bar magnet and the perpendicular distance. That means Ns and Na. Ns and Na. And it is in the direction of the magnetic field. The magnetic field means force acting per unit pole strength. This is about the first para. And what is the second para? Then a force MB acts on the north pole in the direction of the field, whereas the same force acts on the south pole opposite to the force on the north pole. So what he said, that means is a force, the formula of force, B is equal to magnetic field, B is equal to F by M. B is equal to F by M, then F is equal to MB. That means the force acting upon the north pole is one way direction, and the south pole is taken as in the opposite force. And that means opposite to the force on to the north pole. North pole ki opposite ga తీసుకోవాలి. See here in the diagram, is the north pole force is MB. ఈ north pole ki opposite force south pole దగ్గర opposite direction is. That means it is in the like this direction. This is considered as in this direction. So here is two forces is having the same. That means is forces are same. Forces are same. But direction is opposite. Now come to the last one. Since these two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in the direction, so ఈ రెండు ఫోర్సెస్ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్లో ఈక్వల్గా ఆపోజిట్లో డైరెక్షన్ ఉండడం వల్ల, డైరెక్షన్ ఆపోజిట్ ఉండడం వల్ల, అండ్ దే ఆర్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ లైన్, రెండు కూడా ఒకటే లైన్కి రావడం, దేర్ ఫోర్ దే ఫార్మ్ ఏ కపుల్. సో ఎప్పుడైతే టూ ఫోర్సెస్ ఈక్వల్ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్లో ఉండి ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ ఉంటే అది ఒక కపుల్ని ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది, విచ్ మేక్స్ అ మ్యాగ్నెట్ రొటేటెడ్. అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ హియర్ ఈజ్ this is a magnetic field is considered, and this is a magnet, north pole and south pole. It is having the force is upward direction is considered like this. F is equal to some MB, and here is downward. ఇది upward తీసుకుంటే downward తీసుకుందాం, right side తీసుకుంటే left side. Here is the force is MB. Whenever the couple is forming, then what happen here is the south pole is rotating in this way direction, this north pole is rotating in this direction. That means what happen, the continuously what happen here is the magnet is going to be rotated. మ్యాగ్నెట్ ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ విధంగా రొటేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. మ్యాగ్నెట్ ఈస్ రొటేటింగ్ ఇన్ ది ఫీల్డ్. Magnet is rotating in the field. That means after some time what happen here is the south pole is coming to the upward and north pole is coming to the downward. And what happen, the positions will be changes. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ మనకి మ్యాగ్నెట్ అనేది రొటేట్ అవుతుంది. కపుల్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, it will be rotate the magnet. So I will show the before and after diagram for you. This is before and this is a magnetic field. Before, this is a magnetic field. Suppose magnet north pole is like this and south pole is like this. This is the upward direction and this is the downward direction. And whenever it is will be rotated to this side, whenever it is rotated to this side and this is rotated to this side, this is rotated to this side, and it will be rotated to this side. Then what happens is that this south pole is coming to in the place of north pole and the north pole is coming to the place of the south pole after some time. So after that what happened, after some time after rotating, this is a magnetic field and here is coming that the south pole is coming to here, then it is force is MB, and north pole is coming to here, the force is MB. The force is MB. So what will be anything, what happen is a uniform magnetic field lo bar magnet అనేది rotate అవడం అనేది clear గా జరుగుతుంది. That means it is rotating in the bar magnet. The uniform magnetic field, rotating of the bar magnet in the uniform magnetic field, and it's continuously changes its place. North place loki south vastundi, south place loki north vastundi. But every time what happens is this couple is try to make the magnet will be rotated. This is the theory about the uniform magnetic field. Once again I will be explained for you. M is the pole strength of the bar magnet and 2L is the length of the bar magnet. Then magnetic moment is a small m into 2L. These are placed in a bar magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field B. Uniform magnetic field means all the magnetic lines of force are in the same magnitude and in the same direction. So according to formula of magnetic field B is equal to F by M, then F is equal to MB. So north pole దగ్గర force MB పనిచేస్తుంది, సౌత్ పోల్ దగ్గర కూడా అదే ఫోర్స్. ఎందుకంటే మ్యాగ్నెట్ యొక్క 2 poles దగ్గర always acting in the same forces. The forces acting about the north pole is MB, in the same way south pole is also MB. North pole and south poles are the same. So here is due to the opposite forces, opposite in the direction, equal in magnitude, they try to rotate the magnet in a magnetic field. Due to the formation of the equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, then we said that some couple will be forming. This couple is rotate the magnet. Then now we are going to derive the expression for the what is meant by couple and what is the derivation for the couple. See, here is a moment of couple or torque on a bar magnet is given that the formula is force into perpendicular distance between the two forces. Force into perpendicular distance into between the two forces. That means the formula of couple or torque on the bar magnet, the formula is force into perpendicular distance between the two forces. Ante into and product of force and perpendicular distance between the two forces. ఇక 2 forces ఏమున్నాయి, నార్త్ పోల్ దగ్గర పనిచేసే ఫోర్స్ MB, సౌత్ పోల్ దగ్గర పనిచేసే ఫోర్స్ MB. ఈ రెండింటికి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమవుతుంది, మనకి NA అవుతుంది. సో యూ కెన్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ ద లైన్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దిస్. యూ కెన్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ ది line. Then we are going to derive the derivation for this one according to formula force into perpendicular distance between the two forces. Perpendicular distance between the two forces. This is the formula for the torque. Once again, torque or couple, force into perpendicular distance between the two forces. That means from this formula very clear that so C or tau is equal to, what is the formula? F into what is the perpendicular distance between two forces, that is NA. F into NA. How we are getting the derivation for the NA? NA కి మనం ఏ విధంగా డెరివేషన్ తీసుకొని రావాలి? How we are going to derive the derivation for the NA? See, here is a theta is here. Theta కి NA ఎలా ఉంది మనకి? ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్. If you consider from triangle NSA, sin theta is equal opposite side, that is NA by sin theta is equal to NA by NS. So we don't know NA, and we know very well NS. NS is nothing but length of the bar magnet. So this NS is taken to this side, then NA is equal to, so NS is going to this side. NS is nothing but length of the bar magnet, so NS is equal to 2L sin theta. NS is what? 2L sin theta. So in the place of NA, we'll get the answer is NA is 2L sin theta. So tau is equal force into NA. Force formula ఏంటిది మనకి? MB. Force formula is MB into 2L sin theta. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనము ఈ Mని 2Lని ఒక దగ్గర రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, బికాస్ ఇట్స్ ప్రొడక్ట్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమని రాద్దాం మనం? M ఇంటూ 2L ఒక దగ్గర రాద్దాం. ఇంకా మిగిలిన టర్మ్స్ ఏంటిది? B sin theta. మరి M ఇంటూ 2L అంటే what is the meaning of M into 2L? The product of pole strength and length of the bar magnet is nothing but a magnetic moment, that is capital M, B sin theta. So this is the final derivation for the moment of couple or torque, C or tau, లేదంటే tau. So this is the way we are going to derive the derivation for the moment of couple acting on the bar magnet while placed in a uniform magnetic field. In terms of vector quantity, the tau is equal to MB. In terms of vector quantity, we can written as M bar cross B bar. M bar cross B bar. While what happen? While you can written in the cross product, then it is forming as MB sin theta like this. So now here is what happen when the angle is 0. So when it is going to be minimum and when it is going to be the maximum. ఎప్పుడు మినిమం అవుతుంది, ఎప్పుడు మ్యాక్సిమం అవుతుంది? సో ఆల్వేస్ యూ రిమెంబర్ దట్ మినిమం మీన్స్ ద కపుల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ది 0. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా? టౌ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు MB sin theta. When it is going to be 0, when the sin theta is equal to 0, then 0 into anything is 0. So when it is going to be 0, that means the angle between the two forces. See here, moment of couple or torque acting on the bar magnet is minimum when it is placed parallel to the magnetic field. When only it is placed to the parallel to the magnetic field, then what happen here is the angle is equal to the 0. అంటే magnetic field కి బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ కనుక ప్యారలల్గా ప్లేస్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు మనకి ఏమవుతుంది? యాంగిల్ అనేది, సపోజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్, దిస్ బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ is placed the parallel to the magnetic field. Like this we have to place in, then theta is equal to the 0. Then theta is equal to 0 means sin theta, that means sin 0 is equal to 0. So anything into 0 is equal to 0. So when only a parallel is there, that means bar magnet is parallel to the magnetic field. Then theta is equal to 0. Then sin 0 is equal to 0. Then C is equal to MB into sin theta. In the place of sin theta is equal sin 0 is equal to 0. 0 into anything is 0. So moment of couple is 0. Torque is 0. In the parallel case, it is equal to the 0. What happen if you taken for the consider as a maximum? So always you remember that the maximum in the case of sine angle is nothing but a perpendicular case. The maximum value of in the trigonometry is 1. whenever it is going to be maximum, then if you consider that sine 90, the sine 90 degrees is equal to the 1. Sine 90 degrees is equal to 1. This 1 is a maximum. This 1 is going to be maximum. Whenever it is having the sine 90 is equal to 1, this 1 should be the maximum. Then you can go for the moment of couple. How like means sine 90 is equal to 1, then tau is equal, once again, mb sin theta. Tau is equal to mb sin theta. Then tau is equal to mb sin 90 degrees. So sin 90 degrees means it is 1. So tau is equal to mb into sin 90 means 1. 1 into mb is equal to mb. So tau is equal to mb. Tau is equal to mb. So tau is equal to mb. So like this we are going to derive the expression for the moment of couple acting on a bar magnet placed in a uniform magnetic field and also minimum and maximum. So finally moment of couple మనకి ఎప్పుడు మ్యాక్సిమం అవుతుందంటే 90 డిగ్రీస్ అయినప్పుడు మ్యాక్సిమం అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీలో ద మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ ఫర్ 90 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. సో మనకి 1 sin theta అంటే మనకి 1 అయినప్పుడు sin 90 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 అయినప్పుడు మ్యాక్సిమం అవుతుంది. దెన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఈజీలీ రిటర్న్ ఫర్ ది మ్యాక్సిమం ఆఫ్ ది మూమెంట్ ఆఫ్ కపుల్. అండ్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి మినిమమ్ మీన్స్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి 0, మినిమమ్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ 0. ఎప్పుడైతే 0 అవుతుందో 0 ఇంటూ సంథింగ్ ఈజ్ 0. సో టౌ మినిమమ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో ఇది ద ఫస్ట్. దీంట్లో మనం ఏం చేసామంటే ఒక బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ తీసుకున్నాం. బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ని యూనిఫామ్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ ఫీల్డ్లో ప్లేస్ చేసాం. అలా యూనిఫామ్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ ఫీల్డ్లో ప్లేస్ చేసినప్పుడు నార్త్ పోల్ దగ్గర ఎంతైతే ఫోర్స్ ఏర్పడిందో ద సేమ్ ఫోర్స్ ఈజ్ యాక్టింగ్ అబౌట్ ది సౌత్ పోల్. అంటే ఇక్కడ రెండు ఫోర్సెస్ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్లో ఈక్వల్ ఉన్నాయి, డైరెక్షన్లో ఆపోజిట్గా ఉండడం వల్ల కపుల్ ఫామ్ అయింది. సో అలా ఫామ్ అయినటువంటి కపుల్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ని రొటేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఆ విధంగా రొటేట్ చేయడానికి మనం యూజ్ చేయాల్సిన ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది, మనకి టార్క్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫోర్స్ ఇంటూ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ది టూ పోల్స్. Force into perpendicular distance between the two poles. Then F is equal to mb, and perpendicular distance we are calculated as NA, that is 2L sin theta. M into 2L ఒక దగ్గర రాస్తే m into 2L is nothing but capital M. That capital M is the magnetic moment. Capital M is nothing but magnetic moment. And here is a whenever it is going to be minimum means it should be equal to the 0, and whenever it is going to be maximum means it is equal to the sin 90. In case of sin 90 degrees it is going to be maximum. Tau maximum is equal to mb and tau minimum is equal to 0. Now we go for the some problems based upon the this moment of couple. See, here is given that a bar magnet of length 20 centimeters. That means he is given that 2L is equal to, he is given that 20 centimeter. So it is in the centimeter is there. Already told for you in the previous videos, you can convert into the meter. That means 20 by 100. 20 by 100 means 0.2 meter. That means length is nothing but 2L is equal to, we will get that 2L is equal to 0.2 meter. And what is the pole strength is given? The pole strength is about that small m is equal to 5 ampere meter. 5 ampere meter. And he is also given that angle is equal to 30 degrees. Angle is equal to 30 degrees. And also magnetic induction field strength B is also given that that B is equal to 100 Tesla. We are going to find that torque is equal to what? So already we know very well torque formula. The torque formula is equal to C is equal to the torque formula. C is equal, or torque is equal to mb sin theta. But is m is not given directly, m is given indirectly. Capital M is equal to small m into 2L. What is small m? Pole strength. The pole strength is a 5 ampere meter. And the length of the bar magnet is we will get that just 0.2 meter. That 5 into 0.2 means 5 2s are 10, and here is a point is decimal is there, so just only 1. So in the place of m you written as 1, and the B is given that 100 Tesla and theta is equal 30. Just substitute in the formula tau is equal to mb sin theta. Then in the place of m is equal to 1 and b is given that 100. B is given that 100 and sine angle sin 30. Sin 30 is equal, already we know very well. Sin 30 is equal 1 by 2. Then 2 is 100 is 50 times is gone. Then tau is equal to 50 Newton per meter. So just you have to substitute that. The formula of C is equal to mb sin theta, where m is equal to small m into 2l, like that. You can substitute in the place of B is equal, what he given 100 Tesla, you can substitute in the place of B is equal to 100. The angle is 30, so sin 30 ante 1 by 2. By substituting all this, you will get the answer is 15 Newton per meter. And we go for the another problem. When a bar magnet is placed at 90 degrees, that means his angle is given this time is 90 degrees, then theta is equal to 90 degrees to a uniform magnetic field. It is acted upon by a couple which is maximum. For the couple to be off of the maximum value, at what angle should be the magnet be inclined to the magnetic field? So what he said, okay, bar magnet anadi 90 degrees ఉన్నప్పుడు maximum అవుతుంది. Then here is the couple is going to be off of. The couple is going to be off of. Off చేసినప్పుడు then what is the angle is acting between them? Inclined గా ఉన్నప్పుడు అప్పుడు ఎంత యాంగిల్ ఉంటుంది? It's only simple. The maximum tau maximum is already in the previous derivation. I'm explain for you. The maximum tau maximum is called what? MB. Tau maximum is what? MB. So tau maximum is equal to MB. Is equal to MB. Then it is going to be off. It is equal to the off. It is equal to the off. Then what is the angle is between? Then tau is equal to, we know the formula of tau is equal to MB sin theta. Tau is equal to MB sin theta. Then tau is equal to what he said according to problem. For the couple to be off, tau is equal to tau maximum by 2. Tau is equal to tau maximum by 2. So MB sin theta is equal to MB by 2. Tau is equal tau maximum by 2. According to formula, he only given that for the couple to be off of the maximum value. Then tau is equal to tau maximum by 2. Tau is equal to MB sin theta is equal to tau maximum means MB and it will be by off. The tau value is equal to the off of the maximum value. Then MB and MB will be get cancelled. Then here is a remaining thing is sin theta is equal to, then sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 is in the sin angle is nothing but sin 30. Then in the place of theta is equal to what is there? The place of theta here is a 30 is there. So angle is equal to the 30 degrees. This is the way we are going to calculate that maximum of the angle when a bar magnet placed at 90 degrees ఉన్నప్పుడు maximum అవుతుంది. అలా maximum అయినప్పుడు కపుల్ యొక్క maximum యొక్క ఆఫ్లో ఏ యాంగిల్ దగ్గర అయితే దానికి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుందో ఆ యాంగిల్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమని చెప్పేసి అడుగుతున్నాడు. దెన్ యూ కెన్ రిటర్న్ ద ఓన్లీ వన్ ఫార్ములా దట్ ఈజ్ టౌ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టౌ మ్యాక్సిమం బై 2. హీ ఓన్లీ గివెన్ దట్, అతను ఇచ్చిన దాంట్లో ఏదైతే ఇచ్చారో ఆ ఇచ్చిన దాంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి విల్ ఫైండ్ ద ఆన్సర్. నౌ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ మేనర్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు క్యాల్కులేట్ అనదర్ థింగ్. A bar magnet of length 20 cm and the pole strength is 5 ampere makes an angle of in a uniform magnetic field induction is 100 Tesla. Then find moment of a couple. So already we can explain in the previous also the same problem. He is given that 20 centimeters means convert into the meter, then 0.2 meter is there, and the formula of tau is equal to MB sin theta, where M is equal to just a small m into 2l. Small m means is the 5 and 2l is equal to 0.2. So 5 into 0.2 is given that 1. So in the place of 2 unit m is 1 is 100, 1 by 2, that means 50 times. Already this problem is explained in the previous slide also. And here is now we are going to discuss the problem on the calculate the pole strength and also in the magnetic field type. That is each pole of the bar magnet experience a forces of the 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. That means he is given that force. the value of force is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. As a placed in a uniform magnetic induction of a field strength, that means is a B also given that the B is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. Then calculate the pole strength. Then M is equal what? What is the relationship between all these? So వీటన్నిటిని చూస్తే మనకి ఏ రిలేషన్ ఉంది ఎఫ్కి బీకి ఎంకి. We know very well the formula of B. The magnetic field B is equal to F by M. Magnetic field B is equal to F by M. Force acting per unit pole strength is called as magnetic field. Then F is he only given that 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. In the place of F, it should be written as 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. And by M, what he given of the M? That is 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 is given. There is a 4 by 2, that means 2 2s are 4. And 2 into, this is 10 to the power minus 4. And it is coming to this 10 to the power minus 5 is coming to the upside. That is positive 10 to the power plus 5. So minus 4 plus 5. Then what happened? 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 plus 5 means 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 1 means 10. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So 20 ampere meter is the answer for the pole strength. So is each pole of the bar mat is experience a force ante force ichadu. So uniform magnetic induction B value ichadu. We are going to finding the pole strength. The pole strength by substituting the formula M is equal to F by B. So 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 by B is equal, the value is 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. By substituting these two, you will get the direct answer is 20 ampere meter. Finally, in this video, I am clearly explained for you about the definition of magnetic field. Magnetic field means the region or space surrounded by a magnet up to the space or region. It dictates its properties. Dictates its force is called as a magnetic field. And it is a bar mat is placed in a uniform magnetic field. What is the couple? That means we know well the pole strength is considered as M and length of the bar mat is 2L. Then magnetic moment is capital M, that is small m into 2L. While the couple is acting, is two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite direction. Here is a formula is force into perpendicular distance between the two forces. The perpendicular distance of two forces is mb into 2L sin theta. So if the formula of force is equal to mb and na is 2L sin theta, m into 2L is getting that capital MB sin theta. And it is 0 when the angle is equal to the 0. If at all, when the bar mat is placed parallel to the magnetic field, there is a minimum. When the bar mat is perpendicular to the magnetic field, then you get the maximum, that is MB. And the problems is based upon the this moment of couple. In this case, they are given that length and also pole strength and also some angle is given. Then magnetic induction also given. Then you can find the moment of couple by substituting the formula C is equal to MB sin theta. By substituting all the equations in that one. And whereas capital M directly we cannot find, capital M can be found by utilizing the formula small m into 2L. Small m into 2L is nothing but product of pole strength and length of the bar magnet. And this problem is different for the remaining problems. This is given that whenever the couple equal to the moment of couple is equal to the half of the maximum of the couple, then how to find the angle means we'll get the directly way, that is 30 degrees. Whenever the 30 degrees is there, the magnet should be inclined at an angle of 30 degrees. And the same way, so always mainly in the diploma examination he is asking for you only for you find the moment of couple, that is C is equal to MB sin theta. His M is not given directly, they given M and 2L. By product of these two we will get the capital M, and B is given and angle also given, you can find the C value. And some more times in the sum of the times they given the how to find the magnetic field when he given the force and pole strengths. Will substitute here the values F and M value, will get the magnetic field. Thank you very much for watching this video about the moment of couple acting on a bar magnet placed in a uniform magnetic field, as well as the problems based on this moment of a couple. Thank you very much once again.